Hey, what's up, welcome again, guys. So, yeah, you're to this channel. So, this channel is all about sharing, like, a side hustle, guys. So, it's an app, you can get money, website, where you can get money. So, this channel is all about that, So, if it is what you're looking for, then you're on the right channel, So, basically, today, I wanted where you can upload like meals per, and get money. So what I'll quickly show you guys are the reviews from this app, because I don't want to give you guys something that's not legit. So firstly, I do my own search, and then if it's legit, and then I'm gonna share it to you guys. So if it's not, then I'm not gonna share it to you guys. So I don't want to give you something that's not legit. So I'm gonna quickly show you guys the views I have and how you can sign up on this app, and whether this app is available for iOS or Android, and yeah, how to cash out your anyways and start solving without wasting any of your time. So let's just jump right to it. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna quickly show you guys the reviews from this app, and as you can see, it's 4.8. Well, okay, so let me just scroll down. Should we gather this piece legit, guys? So on Google Play, it's 4.2 rating. So yeah, guys, so this app is currently available both iOS and Android. So on Apple, it says rated 4.7. So yeah, guys, so these are the reviews and stuff. So to kind of show you guys with this app is legit. So I'm gonna show you guys now how you can sign out here on the app. Okay, guys, so now I'm gonna show you guys how you can sign up on this app. So you can sign up using your Google or your Apple account, So me, I do have an account. Yes, I'm gonna quickly enter my login details. So you guys, will leave a link on the description. So this app is available both iOS and Android. So so that's basically the main app. Yeah. Okay, so this is my account here, and I've created this account last week, if I'm not mistaken. So these are my memes here. I see. Yeah, my software, and she walked by the TV. I mixed 3 episodes. Oh, that's fun, guys. So make sure you download that memes that gonna make people laugh and get you more likes and stuff. So if you wanna withdraw here, so not yet. So the minimum
withdraw, you need to get like 1,000 app coins is equivalent to $10. So yeah guys, you need to get like 1,000 in order for you to get your earning. And then once you've accumulated 1,000 yep coin, then you can click here and then you can click here, and then I'm gonna enter your details and stuff. And yeah, so one thing I like about this app, you can like, if you wanna change like your memes from your gallery or URL, or like trending memes stuff. Okay, so you can see what's trending. I wanna see buying books, trading books. Me doing steering contents with the random street cats. My friend an exam or study. I think this one is kind of cool. So okay. Upload like any memes. You can either change the way here it is. You can change the font. Okay, let's say white your get food in. So it's change food to anything, guys. You can. Why do I get? Let's say meal. Yeah. And then once I've done that, or you can change the color to be white or black, or even the position of this weight. Once you have done, you can click on done or move it around and stuff. And so yeah guys,
thank you for watching the video. It means a lot, guys. So make sure to support this channel by clicking the subscribe button, and if you like this video, click the like button. If you got a leave a comment, put them in the comment section, then I'll make sure to answer your queries. So other than that, guys, I will see you in the next video. Thank you.